United States and Saudi Arabia through Pakistan in order to fight the Soviets who invaded Afghanistan in 1979, right? So the combination of nuclear weapons and the rise of political Islam in some ways set the terms for a very different form of engagement with the region, which continues to date. I mean, if you look at why does Barack Obama refer to the Afghanistan-Pakistan line as the sort of most dangerous place in the world, it is because it has both Islamist terrorists and it has nuclear weapons. And in a sense, these two are the sort of key issues which keep American policymakers awake even today. But at the same time, it is not to say that the older concerns about economic interests or culture go away. They don't, they stay. In fact, cultural attitudes about hierarchy, about the way that you think about the region, continue to shape American views. I mean, take this particular phrase which I use as a title for the book, the most dangerous place. When the Europeans acquired nuclear weapons, did the United States think of Europe as the most dangerous place? They did not. But when the nuclear weapon comes in the hands of people who are so different from you, then you start thinking about the region in very different ways. And I think it's those kinds of cultural attitudes which are pretty ingrained and very slow to change, which continue to sort of in many ways embed American policy in the region. And of course, with the advent of, with the end of the Cold War, advent of globalization, American sort of cultural, economic relations with the region undergo a different kind of time, right? You only need to look at the way in which US-India relations have expanded, particularly in the economic realm, both because of India's embrace of globalization, but also because of the presence of Indian Americans in the United States who do so well, right? I mean, they are, as one recent book calls it, the other 1% in the United States, because they are right at the top of every attribute, whether it's per capita income, educational endowment, workplace sort of success and so on. So in a sense, the recent changes which we see in economic, political, cultural ties between countries like India and the United States mark the beginnings of a shift away from a longer pattern of engagement. And whether it is one that will endure the era of Donald Trump is something that I think we'll have to wait and see.